Today I'm going to show you how to make a tiramisu. You will need 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 500 millilitres of double cream, 175 grams of Ladyfingers or sponge fingers, 75 grams of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee granules, 300 millilitres of boiling water, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then as optionals, 75 millilitres of Amaretto or rum and 25 grams of dark chocolate. To the boiling water, add your coffee granules, and if using Amaretto or rum, and mix together until well combined and then leave to cool. Then to the double cream, add your caster sugar, and either with a whisk or a hand blender, mix it until the caster sugar is nicely combined into the double cream. Then add your mascarpone cheese and whip up the mixture until it is a lot lighter in colour and it's really thick and creamy, and it should be a really nice spreadable consistency. Then I have used a loose bottom square cake tin, which is 7 inches or 18 centimetres. Or you can use a different dish, but I would recommend either a loose bottom or one where you can remove the sides to make it easier to take the tiramisu out. Then we want to layer up. So firstly, dip your ladyfingers into your coffee mixture, and you just want to dip them in as opposed to soak them because we still want it to hold structure. So it's just a quick dip into the coffee and then layer that as your first layer. And then add half of your cream mixture to the top as your second layer. And then if using the dark chocolate, just grate this over the top. And then repeat for a second layer. So again, dip your ladyfingers into your coffee mixture and have a layer. Then add the rest of your cream mixture to the top. And then just the remaining dark chocolate grated over the top if you're using dark chocolate. Then you want to pop this into the fridge for at least 3 hours, or ideally a little bit more, or until just before you want to serve it. Then just before serving, you just want to dust the top with the cocoa powder, just using a sieve ideally, so then it's a nice fine dusting. Then once the top is covered, just remove from the cake tin. And there you have it. That's how you make a tiramisu. I just want to take a moment to thank Mark W for this recipe request. He requested this in a previous video. If you do have any recipe requests that you'd like to see, just pop a comment below or reach out to me on the social medias. I'll pop links below for those as well. And I'm always looking for feedback on the recipes and on the videos. So any sort of feedback you guys have, whether it be good or bad, whether you've got some ideas on how to improve, please let me know. I'm always wanting to improve for you guys, so then you guys get the best out of me. And finally, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for supporting and following and commenting and everything like that. It really does mean the world to me that you guys enjoy the videos and that you enjoy the recipes and that I can just help you guys bake.